This is an analog controller using a 555 timer. It's set to 1 Hertz. It's adjustable with this potentiometer. This 555 time base controls 3 different neurons. So this is a neuron, this is a neuron, and this is a neuron. Each of these neurons are triggered off of the same 555 signal, but they're independently controlled for duration and frequency. So shown on the scope, let me turn this on. On the bottom trace is the 555 timer. This is 1 cycle, set to 1 Hertz. The top trace is the first neuron, second neuron, and the third neuron. Each of these is adjustable and where they trigger and their duration. So on this one, it's triggering at the end of the cycle. I'll move that one forward. So you can see I can walk it up to the front, or I can turn it back to where it was. So each of these positions are adjustable. And the width is also adjustable. So I'll adjust the width of this second trace. Adjust it to nothing, or I can increase it. So each of these is adjustable in their trigger position along that first along the cycle, as well as their duration. And that's it. Thanks for watching.